What's up, y'all? Welcome back for another episode of the Clean Biz Network podcast. I'm your host, AJ Simmons, and today I think I'm about to change y'all life because I want to talk about a moment in my life that changed my life. And what made me want to do this one today is because, Facebook, they always show you your memories, right? And the day was a special one that they showed me because I remember this day when my life changed, right? So they showed me a post that I had posted. And first, I'll tell you what the meme says, and then I'll tell you my caption, right? So the meme was simply, it said 6 months from now, you can be in a completely different space mentally, physically, intellectually, and financially. Just keep working hard and believe that your time is finally coming. And I really believe that, right? And so it said 6 months from now. Then my caption was, think about it, 6 months from now, that's Christmas, because when I posted it was June 28th, 2018, okay? So I said 6 months from now, that's Christmas. I said, we can change our whole lives around by then if we just take time out to plan for longer terms and stop making short-term decisions. Let's try it starting with writing a plan today for the next 6 months, then taking action. And I literally did that, y'all. Let me tell you what happened in June 28th, 2018, around that time. All right, so what I decided to do was I decided not to go back and work for Jam Pro as an operations manager. I don't know if y'all understand this, right? I tell this story, but sometimes, for the sake of time, I'll leave certain details out, and then sometimes I'll tell certain parts. Sometimes you just forget certain details, right? But anyway, for those who don't know, because I know we got new people to the channel as well, just a quick rundown of my background. So y'all know I was a cleaning franchise owner with Jam Pro, very successful, won the franchise owner of the year award, and done six figures very relatively fast. Was successful with it. And I was so successful that they asked me if I would be an operations manager. And so I said, well, I'll do it, but I really want to leave Virginia. Can you, put me somewhere else? They said, well, where do you want to live? And I said, well, as long as it's hot and as long as I'm on the East Coast so I can still run my company while I go do this job. And so they basically moved me out to Florida, me and my family. They brought us all the way down to Florida. And I was still running my franchise in Virginia, okay? Fast forward, I did that for probably about a year and a half. And then eventually, I outgrew the franchise model altogether. I just decided I didn't want to be in it anymore, right? And so what ended up happening was I sold my cleaning franchise to my brother. And I quit the operations manager position because I just couldn't take it. I felt like it was morally wrong for me to do it. And they wanted me to stop selling starter kits and coaching people outside of them to be independent and stuff, right? They didn't like that I was doing that. So I chose what I felt was the morally right thing to do, which was leave that job and keep training people to be independent cleaning business owners, right? And so at that time, there was no such thing as Clean Biz Network, but I did have starter kits and stuff like that. It was AJ Simmons Online back then. And I was just, randomly doing stuff. But the bottom line is this, y'all. At that moment, I didn't really have anything because, again, I sold that cleaning company to my brother. I didn't really speak on the details of how much I sold my cleaning company for or anything like that because I don't want to, detail too much of his business while I'm telling my story. You see what I'm saying? But sometimes I gotta give you certain parts at certain time, and I feel like right now is the time, right? So you gotta understand when I sold him that company, he won't balling, like he won't roll in the dough, right? So he couldn't give me no lump sum of cash. So that means I seller financed that business to him. He had made payments to me. So, and I was not rich by any stretch of the imagination, right? At that time. So basically I had nothing. I had no job. I had a couple of checks coming in, like I was making money online with my starter kits. Had my YouTube money coming in, and I was selling the ebook. I had a couple different little things. I had just enough things coming in to pay the bills, but I wasn't balling. So at this point, I'm at a crossroads, and I didn't know what I was about to do with my life. My cleaning company is gone. That was my baby that I obsessed with over that previous 3 years before that. Built that thing up into a system. Now I don't have that anymore. I just walked away from honestly what was the best job of my life. It was better than even when I was a machinist at the shipyard because it was something I was actually interested in with training franchise owners and stuff and training entrepreneurs, right? And so I don't have that anymore. And I'm like, what the hell am I gonna do? But when I made this post, I said, you know what, AJ, 6 months from now, you can be in a completely, totally different space. All you got to do is commit, make a plan, and take action. And that's exactly what I did, y'all. So what ended up happening was I sat down and because really so the easy solution would have been, okay, well, AJ, you the cleaning business expert. Why not just start a cleaning business? Start all over. Just start one in Florida. Well, I couldn't because at that time I had a non-compete agreement in place with Jam Pro, so I couldn't do anything within the cleaning field for I think it was a year or 2 years after leaving that position. So that's why I couldn't start the cleaning company. So it was at that point it was just like, well, I'm gonna have to do something. I don't know. I knew that I couldn't change my niche because it's like this is what I know, the cleaning industry, right? So what ended up happening was I'm selling starter kits, and at that time I'm like, okay, I can't really compete with the cleaning franchises because at the end of the day they're promising contracts, they're promising customers, right? I can't promise you customers at that moment. So I said, well, what can I do? So then I had this aha moment thanks to my guy Calvin Weaver, who kind of pretty much walked me through how he was already doing what I was doing. And then it was another post I saw somewhere else online. But anyway, I figured out how to hire callers from overseas. And then I had an aha moment. If I could find these appointments, right? And get leads for people and set appointments for people so that they can be in position to get the customers. So I'm not guaranteeing you a contract, but at least I can get you set up and put that with the starter kit. And so I asked a question in the Clean Business Network Facebook group. I said, listen, if I told you that I could, find you an appointment, blah, 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 would you be willing to pay X amount of dollars for it? So many people replied and said, yes, I would be willing to pay for that service, right? So I said, bam. Man, that very same day, I went and drew up a plan. I put a system together on how I can make it work. And then I put the form on my website and put it out to Clean Business Network. I always try everything first in the Clean Business Network. They get everything first, right? And so I put it out there. And I said, all right, here y'all go. If y'all are interested, this is where you can purchase your leads at. And so I put it out. I believe Brandon Nelson, shout out to Fish, he bought, I think, like 3 of them. Brandon McIntyre bought, I think, 2. And I think Benny McCargo bought 1. Shout out to all of them for believing in me from the beginning. And so here I am. I sold the leads each for $100 each. And that's why I had $500 to start with Clean Biz Network. And I said, wow, okay. So I got this money. I didn't even have the callers yet. Y'all. And so I said, bam. I told them that I'll get them those leads within 30 business days. And I knew within them 30 business days, I would hurry up and find some callers. I better hurry up and deliver those appointments, or I better hurry up and be ready to give them their money back. Okay? And so week 1 went past. I'm interviewing and hiring and looking around. Week 2, I got a caller, hired him. He did horrible. Week 3 came around, hired a second caller, fired the first caller. Second caller was amazing. And we delivered all of the appointments. Then we hired another caller because this caller had a friend. She had a friend, right? So then I hired her friend. They both did pretty well. Next thing I know, I had a business, y'all. So once I seen that this lead generation service was working, I said, wait a minute. So then I actually checked up. I followed because I was so nervous, like when we sit in the appointments, right? And this was before we used to record the calls. This was before that we did confirming the calls and calling back. This was before bail or any of that, okay? And I just straight up, when the caller found the appointment, I had them send it straight to the customer directly, to the people who bought the leads directly. I didn't check it or anything. It was just like, here, send it over. And so I followed up with Fish, and I said, hey, how was those leads that you bought? He said, no, that was good. They were solid leads. And I was like, okay, bam, all right. And so then I followed up with the other person, and they said it was good. Then I followed up with the other person. They said theirs was good too. And I said, wow, wait a minute. This can actually work, okay? And so from there, I did this for a few months, and then finally I realized, AJ, you need to stop hustling and be a business owner. I said, you got this lead thing going on now. You got these starter kits going. You got this, you got that, and so why don't you put it all together and make it into one company? And that's when I came up with Clean Biz Network. And here you go, this plan that I came up with in June. Here we go, October, fast forward to October, so almost 6 months. What's that? Let me see, June, July, August, September, October. Right, so 4 months later, I created Clean Biz Network and changed my life. I was aiming for 6 months, but instead it took 4 months. And so that's my point, y'all. I want y'all to understand that I invest anything in Clean Biz Network to start the lead generation service or start anything, right? I didn't invest any money into it. Instead, I put a plan together, and sometimes you got to put some money into it, right? But I put a plan together, and as a matter of fact, technically I did, because I forgot. I always don't forget this key detail. Those people that bought those first 5 leads, guess what I did after I got them all of their appointments, and they were successful, and I saw they were successful. Guess what I did? I gave every single one of them their money back and let them keep the lead, just because I was thankful for them for even giving me a try, and I knew that this thing was about to be something big. Because without that lead generation service starting me off, I really didn't have anything going at first. Then I improved and created an actual course, because the Clean the Business Starter Kit course didn't exist at first. It was just a bunch of digital downloads and templates to go with the starter kit, right? Then I was like, wait a minute, I need to create an actual course, right? And so then that came along, and then masterclass came along. All these different things came along over time. But here's my point to you, y'all. None of this would have never happened if I didn't believe in myself, right? I didn't have a big savings amount, right? None of this would have never happened if I just didn't put a product out there on the market. It was imperfect. It was very imperfect, but it got the job done nonetheless, right? This never would have happened if I didn't jump and believe in myself and didn't get scared and say, no, I'm going to go ahead and take this job because I don't know what else I'm going to do, right? I had to believe in myself and do it anyway. And most importantly, I just simply had to sit down, write a plan, and say within 6 months my life could change. And so within 6 months, really less, because that very first month, what I did, I think I did about $7,500 total in just lead sales, not to mention starter kits and all that, right? And so here you go. It's like, okay, bam, you at 6 figures already. You damn near 6 figures already. If you do 7,500 times 12 months in a year, that's almost $100,000, right? The following month I did 83, and 83 is $100,000 a year. And every single month from that point on, the revenue went up, up, and up, and up. And here's my point to you. One of you gonna start today, like I said in this post in 2018, 3 years ago. I said, today you can make your plan, write it down, and within 6 months from today, you can change your whole life. You can own a 6-figure company 6 months from now if you just start today. So what are you gonna do, y'all? What you gonna do? You gonna keep watching and waiting and watching everybody else be successful? You gonna keep watching everybody else build their brand? Or are you gonna take some action? I had setbacks, y'all. I didn't have no money to invest, because I didn't sell my company for a big lump sum. I had to keep collecting small payments every month, right? I did have some revenue coming in. I had some passive streams, right? I had the money coming in every month from the company sale. I had the YouTube money coming in. I had a little bit of book revenue coming in. I had some starter kit money coming in, but they were really just pennies at that time. It wasn't really what it has grown to become. You said, oh, and I forget I did have one rental property back then too, right? So I won't, right? You know what I mean? I had some things going on, but trust me, it was tight. You know what I mean? It was tight, but I said I'm not gonna let that stop me. That I ain't got the money all the way, but I got something. I said I'm not gonna let it stop me. That I have this non-compete agreement with Jam Pro, and I can't even start me a cleaning company right here. But you know what? I'm gonna find a way. I'm gonna find a way, and that's what y'all need to do. You need to find a way. Take action today, because 6 months from today, y'all, 6 months from today, you can change your whole life. And I ain't just talking to people who ain't got started yet. I'm talking to the person that's in business right now, but you've been doing that same $4,000 a month. You've been doing that same $2,000 a month. You've been doing that same $10,000 a month. That same $20,000, wherever you stuck at, you can change that within 6 months from now if you start today. Plan today. Figure out what it is that you can do that can make your life be different. You can be a completely different person, financially, physically, intellectually, spiritually, you name it. It can all change if you just start today. It's just that one. You take that one step forward, y'all. But you got to take action. You got to start with that plan today that you're going to make that change. And by Christmas, it can be a merry goddamn Christmas this year, won't it? If you just start today. That's all you got to do. So if you're serious, and if you haven't gotten started yet, go check out Clean Biz Network. We got Clean the Business Starter Kits. We came a long way. I'm telling you, we shipped the equipment to you. We got the course in there for you. We got everything, right? And this is all done by little old me. You know what I mean? Little old me just decided I'm going to do something because I thought it was morally wrong to keep seeing these people buy these franchises and knowing that they about to get ripped off, and knowing that they ain't gonna know the numbers, and knowing that they're not gonna get taught how to bid on shit. They're not gonna understand anything because the franchise ain't gonna teach you, because they're designed for you to fail. Because the more you fail, the more they can keep recycling them same underbid ass contracts and sell them to the next vulnerable person. And I decided I refuse to be a part of it anymore. And that's why Clean Biz Network exists. So if you're serious about changing your life, you need to create something too that's not only going to change your life, but it's going to change the lives of others. And that's what I did. Clean Biz Network has changed countless lives. Countless. Look it up, man. You know, look at all them interviews back to back to back to back to back. All these different interviews, testimonies, people telling about how the leads changed their life, how the starter kit helped them so much, how the course helped them so much, how the information, everything, man. The support in the Facebook group that we have. Calculated Clean, how the proposal was so professional, that's how they feel like they want to bid, or they say they didn't have any clue on how to bid on buildings and come up with a price until they downloaded Calculated Clean. You see what I'm saying? And this is all because I had a dream that was bigger than me and I decided to act on it. If you got a dream and it's bigger than you, you need to act on it and take action today. Stop playing. I don't care what you... Listen, if you ain't got the money today to invest in the way that maybe you want to buy a starter kit, but you ain't got the money to invest right now, okay, well, find a way to get started another way. Take action somehow. Print you some flyers up. Go door to door, secure a contract, and find somebody to partner with that does have the equipment. And let them clean it. Then once you get paid from that, then you can come back. You don't need the equipment. Bam, just get the course so you can get the rest of the information, right? Or just so you can get the coaching from me, right? Because we do weekly coaching calls inside the group, right? Or something. But bottom line, just get started. We figure the rest out on the way. But you got to get started, y'all. You're going to stay stuck if you don't take no action. Stop making excuses and make it happen. I'm AJ Simmons. I'll talk to y'all later.